Starting an LLC for your business is a smart way to protect your personal assets and give your company a professional structure. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps so you can set it up quickly and confidently. The first step is choosing a name for your LLC. Your business name must be unique and follow your state's rules. You can check availability on your state's Secretary of State website. Make sure your name ends with LLC or Limited Liability Company. Next, you'll need to file the Articles of Organization. This is the official document that creates your LLC. You can usually file online or by mail through your state's business portal. The filing fee varies depending on your state. Once approved, your LLC is officially formed. After forming your LLC, it's a good idea to create an operating agreement. Even if your state doesn't require it, this document helps outline how your business will be managed, how profits are shared, and how decisions are made among members. Then, apply for an EIN from the IRS. This employer identification number is free and necessary for taxes, opening a business bank account, and separating your business finances from personal finances. Finally, make sure to comply with any state or local licenses, permits, or regulations that apply to your specific business type. And that's it. If this guide helped you understand how to start an LLC for your business, go ahead and like this video and subscribe for more simple business tips.